Good afternoon, all students of class 5th CBABIC Puranpur. Student, back day I teach you math subject of class 5th, but today I will teach you English grammar of class 5th. Here is your first chapter, sentence, its kind. Your chapter is sentence, its kind. Student, here is sentence. What is sentence? Do you know what is sentence? I will tell you about sentence. What is sentence? Here is definition of sentence. A sentence is a group of words that make complete sense is called sentence. What is sentence? A sentence is a group of words that make complete sense is called sentence. Yes. What is sentence? Sentence is a group of word. Group of word means a word that is means with clear and what is it full form? It is example here is the boy is drinking water. The boy is drinking water. There are many types of word. They are arranged in meaningful, in senseful. Here is the boy is drinking water. Water किसके द्वारा पिया जा रहा है? बॉय के द्वारा. So the boy is drinking water. Water is drinking by the boy. किसके द्वारा पानी पिया जा रहा है? बॉय के द्वारा, लड़के के द्वारा पानी पिया जा रहा है. इसलिए ये क्या एक मीनिंगफुल सेंटेंस है. अगर एग्जाम्पल के तौर पर हम इसे कर दें, is the drinking water boy. Here is not confirmed means of the sentence. So here is arrange the word. The boy is drinking water. Next example is he is playing. वह खेल रहा है. Who is playing? He is playing. वह खेल रहा है. It is also a sentence. यह भी एक क्या है? सेंटेंस है जिसका हम क्लियर मीन्स क्लियर अर्थ इससे पता होता है. फिर देखिए फीचर ऑफ सेंटेंस. किसी भी सेंटेंस के क्या फीचर होते हैं, क्या लक्षण होते हैं, कैसे हम ये पता कर सकते हैं कि ये सेंटेंस है. इसका फर्स्ट है इट स्टार्ट्स विद कैपिटल लेटर्स. इट स्टार्ट्स, इसकी स्टार्टिंग जो होती है, किसी भी सेंटेंस की स्टार्टिंग का पहला जो लेटर होता है वो क्या होता है? कैपिटल होता है, यानी बड़ा अक्षर होता है. नेक्स्ट है सेकंड इट एंड्स विद फुल स्टॉप. इसकी एंडिंग जो होती है वो क्या होती है? फुल स्टॉप हो सकता है, या फिर क्वेश्चन मार्क हो सकता है, या फिर एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क हो सकता है. किसी भी सेंटेंस का जो एंड पॉइंट है उसमें या तो फुल स्टॉप होगा, या फिर क्वेश्चन मार्क होगा, या फिर एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क होगा. लेकिन इसकी स्टार्टिंग किससे होती है? कैपिटल लेटर से. Here is you will know about sentence, kinds of sentence. There are mainly four kinds of sentence. There are mainly four kinds of sentence. First is assertive or declarative sentences. What? Assertive or declarative sentences. Second is interrogative sentences. And number third is imperative sentences. And number fourth is exclamatory sentences. Here is first type of sentence, assertive or declarative sentence. What is assertive or declarative sentence? It is a simple sentence. Any type of simple sentence we can say that it is assertive or declarative sentence. It ends with full stop. Any assertive or declarative sentence, if it ends, that end of the sentence we use full stop, as he is my friend. Here is full stop of the sentence. Next example is Ram is my best God. It is also a type of assertive or declarative sentence. So student, you will know about it that it is first type of sentence. What? Assertive or declarative sentence. Second type of sentence is interrogative sentence. What? Interrogative sentence. What is interrogative sentence? An interrogative sentence asks a question. It ends with question mark. By the interrogative sentence, we can ask question from anyone, and it ends with question mark. It is symbol of question mark. Here is example of interrogative sentences. What is your name? At the end of the sentence, question mark. If there is no question mark, that sentence can be wrong. So you will use question mark with interrogative sentence at the end of the sentence. Now, third type of sentence is imperative sentence. Which type of sentence? Imperative sentence. Its definition is an imperative sentence expresses order, command, advice, or suggestion. It ends with full stop. An imperative sentence ends with full stop. It is the symbol of full stop. Its example is open the window. It is an order. And please give me a pen. It is request. So these are called imperative sentences. And now number 4 is exclamatory sentences. Its definition is an exclamatory sentence shows wonder, joy, sorrow, etc. When a person very wonder or very joy or very sorrow, that is exclamatory sentence. It's end with exclamation mark. It is the symbol of exclamation mark. Its example is oh my God. It is a sorrowful sentence. And next example is what a wonderful image. It's in here is exclamation mark. So it is an exclamatory sentence. So student, you will learn about sentence. Your first chapter is end. If there is any type of problem you can contact from me by comment. So stay home, stay safe. Thank you.